Good morning, students. Let's continue our GK unit Indian scenario, in which we will do the page 48, having the topic India into Space Club. We know very well that India sent so many satellites to the space. Let's discuss about all those satellites that is sent by the India. Those are the Indian satellite and sent to the space. In which year, by which time? The first one is launching of first Indian satellite, that is Aryabhatta. I hope everybody, it is one of the famous name that Aryabhatta, India's first Indian satellite launched. It is launched in 1975. Launching of remote sensing satellite, that is Bhaskar 1. The Bhaskar 1 is such a fantastic satellite which has the remote sensing. It launched in 1979. The successful launching of SLV-3E2 and Bhaskar 2. It is launched in 1990. Testing of first communication satellite Apple. The testing is to be done in 1981. Inset boat from US succeeds in 1983. IRS 1B goes successful in 1991. ASLV D2 works. India built Insect 2A launched successfully in 1992. IRS ID Insect 2D PSL VC1 succeeded in 1997. Insect 3B succeeds in 2000. Successful placing of two remote sensing satellite, that is Cartosat 1 and Hamsat, in the polar sun orbit in 2005. PSLV C9 with the record 10 satellite as payload for the first time in the world in 2008, and GSAT 12 satellite launched successfully in 2011. So this is all about the information that the India sent their satellite in the various year to the space. Let's do scholar test now, in which we have to find the answer on the basis of our general knowledge. The first question is given over here. Which state police launch Operation Shishtar? It's Shishtar to teach the lesson to Eve teasers. Which state police launched the Operation Shishtar to teach the lesson to Eve teaser? It's Delhi police. Second, which tree sapling was planted by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the race course of Road Lawns to make the occasion of World Environment Day, that is 5 June. The name of that tree, that sapling that is planted at that time, is Kadamb. The third question is, on the lines of Palace on Wheels, the new train Deccan Odyssey is operated between which states? It's in between Maharashtra and Goa. Which state the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is located? In which state the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is located? It's Karnataka. Which ancient Indian medical science is famous as holistic approach to healing and prescribes the use of the natural herbs for prevention and cure of the physical and mental disease? It's Ayurveda. Ayurveda is one of the oldest medical science branch. Which Indian company acquired the Switzerland-based world's largest gold refiner Valcambi? It's Rajesh Exporters. Which Indian American Stanford professor built world's first water-based computer? The first water-based computer is developed by the Indian American Stanford professor. The name is Manu Prakash. What is the name of the dance that is traditionally performed in the group for 9 nights during the colorful Indian festival Navaratri? It's Garba. Who was the leader of the Indian National Congress when Mahatma Gandhi reached India? Who was the leader in Indian National Congress? It was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. When and where was the last significant battle fought? The last significant battle fought on 20th June 1858 at Gwalior. At Gwalior. So it is all about to check our general knowledge about various fields. Please learn all these questions, learn all the years of in which the India launched the various space satellites to the space. Do these pages and learn so well. Thank you. Have a nice day.